Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Counlisha metal wall mount, designed specifically for the JBL Xtreme series. Including the Xtreme 4, Xtreme 3, and Xtreme 2 portable Bluetooth speakers. This mount isn't just another speaker holder. It's built to give you flexibility and security whether you're at home or on the move. The design centers around a sturdy stainless steel metal base paired with two adjustable Velcro straps. These straps can be lengthened from 15 to 24 inches, allowing them to tightly secure your speaker while keeping all buttons and indicators easily accessible. The metal bracket is painted and reinforced with high-elasticity foam, which not only protects the speaker from scratches and impact but also ensures it stays firmly in place. The overall weight capacity of the mount is 12 pounds, making it ideal for these heavier Xtreme speakers. Installation is versatile and can be done in several ways. For traditional wall mounting, you can drill holes, insert rubber plugs, and secure the bracket with screws, which works for wooden, cement, brick, or drywall surfaces. But this mount shines when it comes to vehicles or outdoor setups. You can attach it to a jet ski, snowmobile, boat, or PWC using stainless steel screws and washers to maintain balance, or even hang it from the roof of your car or a bike. Counlisha also suggests mounting it under desks, tables, or shelves for a floating effect that enhances sound distribution. The bracket itself is covered with foam to prevent slipping and absorbs shocks, making it reliable even in bumpy conditions. Whether you're installing it in your living room, kitchen, garden, or taking it on your outdoor adventures, the mount is designed to keep your speaker secure while improving your audio experience. In terms of materials, the stainless steel base is complemented by durable screws, nuts, and washers, which resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term stability. The Velcro straps make it easy to remove or reposition the speaker, adding convenience to the design without compromising security. Overall, the Counlisha metal wall mount offers a combination of versatility, durability, and protection. It's more than a simple wall bracket. It's a multifunctional solution for securing your JBL Xtreme speakers anywhere, indoors or outdoors, while optimizing sound performance. If you're looking for a secure, flexible, and high-quality mount for your Xtreme series speaker, this could be a smart choice. That wraps up our look at the Counlisha metal wall mount. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.